Let's draw lemonade. Start with your paper and your pencil. We're going to first draw an ellipse, which is like a flattened circle. Kind of looks like a hot dog. Then on both sides, you're going to draw long lines down. I'm tapering mine in to make it look a little fancier, but you can just do them straight down if you like. At the bottom, it's really important to make a curved line, just a little curve going up. Next, we're going to add the lemonade. Do a little bit of a wiggly ellipse towards the top if you want your glass full. I like to touch up my drawings as I go, kind of checking them and fixing them. Making sure that line on the bottom has a little curve to it. Now, I'm thinking about how to add a little slice of lemon. I was doing this drawing from my head and not from a reference picture, so it took me a minute to figure it out. It's good to practice drawing from your head, but a reference picture is always good to start with. So I just went from the top edge and kind of drew like sort of a circle, like a Pac-Man kind of shape going around, with a little cutout of it on the edge so that it looks like it's stuck on the side of the glass. I had to go in and touch up my circle because it was looking a little flat on the top. It's okay to touch up your drawing as an artist. That makes sure that you're fixing it, and that's good to do. You don't always have to get it perfect the first time. Next, I'm adding a copycat line around the edge of my circle so that it looks like the lemon has a little bit of skin at the edge. I did that by adding like little dashed lines just to try and get the shape right. Now go from the center of the circle and make a couple lines out so it forms a triangle. Because citrus has triangular sections inside, you can make as many as you like. I like to keep them a little bit bigger, so it kind of looks more like a cartoon. Your lemon should start to look like a wheel at this point, like a bicycle wheel with a tire on the edge. We're going to make those lines copycat lines, like a double line. Oh, here's a cool little trick. If you want something to look like it's glass, just add a couple diagonal lines across the front of it, and it will look like it has a little reflection. Next, I'm adding a little shadow at the bottom with the side of my pencil, very lightly, getting it darker at the glass. Then I'm going in and adding a little bit of a copycat line. And I made the bottom of the glass a little bit thicker because some glasses look like that. Actually, a lot of glasses look like that. But it makes it look like you know what you're doing. Oh yeah, I added some little drips so that it looked like condensation on the glass. You can add that if you like. Just a few here and there. Like the lemonade is really cold and it was really hot outside. I didn't end up adding any ice cubes, but you can add them if you like. Just do a 3D box. I kind of think it looks good without them. Once you're confident in your drawing, you can go in and darken your lines, add a little shading around just to touch it up at the end. Me personally, I think this is the most fun part of every drawing. When you have your edges, everything looks good, and you're just adding those little sparkles, little touch-ups at the end. Darkening my lemon. Getting some little textured lines in there just to make it look like it's really citrus. I didn't add any seeds to my lemon, but that's another detail you can add if you like. Finishing up the drawing, and there we have it, a glass of summer lemonade. Hope you like the drawing. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.